Hello guys, I'm a 10 years Shopify store owner. So in these videos, I want to talk about how I using Claude Code to building some high ROI projects that including automations and also some workflow and projects. So one of the first thing that I think is really helpful for my Shopify store is the one automation that Cloud Code creating for us. Um, is called MAP monitoring. Basically, it's a called minimal advertising price. So we have 1,000 SKUs. So this automation allowing us to just following the MAP that the supplier creating up for us because they are very strict. If we consistently violate the MAP rules, they could ban us, and that including one of our best-selling vendors. So this is one of the really helpful projects, save us tons of time just to manually checking each SKU for the MAP. And second project is called Truck Visualizer. So basically, this is a application that Cloud Code creating for our internal team. So sometimes we selling parts and we don't have pictures or images from our manufacturers. So this app allowing us to combine parts and the truck images into one. So customers can actually visualize how it looks on the truck, which actually the images never existing on the market before. So it's really help us increase the conversion rates uh, by just using this app. And the network solution, this is one of the best, and also something that I would never thought. But doing this by myself, with the help with Cloud Code, I creating a routing service that allowing me to browse the internet its fastest speeds and also stable internet from China. So basically, we build a routing from one VPS to one of my main computers in my US home. So actually, when I browse the internet or doing the business, I actually using the static IP from my US home. So then China Great War will not blocking me from. It's actually much more stable than VPN than traditional VPN. Sometimes the IP changes, so I have to do all the checking, the valuations, and it's just a lot of nightmares if you consistently changing IP, and also you will not allow you to using color code and codecs comfortably. Trust me, if you are in China, it's getting give you a lot of difficulties to using apps or AI from the US. So this is one of the solution that actually, yeah, like one of the best solution that the cloud code creating for my job. And then this is a so this is like entire workflow has been changed. So it used to be I sometimes I in the past I consult with experts or like reading books or watching YouTubes and come up with next projects. Right now I just work with Cloud Code and assign bunch of agents, do the research, studying my Shopify data or insights, and then Cloud Code to analyze and then come up with projects ideas, and then I choose one. So most of them are really reasonable and also has good potential, and I'm excited to ask my team to try it because it's actually getting all those things based on the data the color code linked to Shopify's Google Ads. The more data you have, then the more better projects that will come. So it's all about feeding the context to the more context color code has, then it becomes much more smarter, especially with the agents team. And the product importing is also very helpful. So at the beginning, we go through a bunch of times between Cloud Code and Codex and Gemini. Then once we find one that's really working, so combine it with our previous SOPs and if really hitting a standard that's 90%, are good. So we never asking for AI to hit it 100%. So 90% is good. So we send this 90% product templates, and it actually, like, because it connects to our suppliers API, so it actually can pull thousand products, and then it can uh, import and complete this 9,000 products with 90% of qualities. So it saves us a lot of time. So basically, we just send those thousand products that are actually done by Cloud Code and Codex, and um, our team, like people team, human team, can actually finish the rest of 10%. So it saves us time and also has a very high standard quality as well. Like you have to assign multiple AI agents to work on these projects. So product importing is also very good. And once you have done that, then you just creating a skill based on that. So in the future, so you don't have to go back and forth with multiple AI agents. So you just use one, and then use the skills that you created, or Cloud Code actually creating the skills based on the the session and the context, and also the report that the codex gives to the Cloud Code. So it's very helpful as well. For Shopify optimizations, yeah, uh, for some HTML changes and the JavaScripts and the CSS, we're able to do ourselves, not hiring web developers, our backend team with no developer experiences. We just follow Codex guides or Cloud Code's guides and then do the changes by ourselves. So right now we still haven't given full writing access to Cloud Code yet. It's not because it's too risky, but as time goes, yeah, we can assign like for writing permission, but not right now. And Slack report, yeah, it's an automation. So basically, every day, Codex or Cloud Code just go through our data, no matter it's on Shopify or Google Ads or Facebook Ads, and then sending us a daily report and sometimes weekly report of the competition. So that's also very helpful for us to gaining insights of this market. And the customer quote is another tools, automation tools. In the past, we just sending a raw a price quote, which is not professional for high ticket items, high ticket auto parts. Right now, we just collecting information from our customers, and then this automation form will send to um, the the app that we created, hosted on the cloud, and then will generate the codes and then send to the Slack channels. And then we use that Slack channel send to customers. It looks much more professional and also helpful to increase our conversions with business customers. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next videos. Bye bye.